Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'll show you a quick way to select large amounts of data in Excel. I've got a dataset here with over 30,000 rows. Let's say I only want the first 20,000. Manually selecting that would take forever, so here's the fast way. First, click the starting cell of your selection. Next, look for the name box. It's just to the left of the formula bar. In the name box, type the reference of the last cell you want included. For me, that's 20,000. Now press Shift plus Enter. Excel instantly highlights everything from your starting cell through to M20,000. From here, you can copy, Ctrl plus C, and paste it onto a new sheet. A neat trick for pasting: just press Enter, and Excel pastes straight in. Scroll down, and you'll see all 20,000 rows are copied. So to recap, select the first cell. Type the last cell in the name box. Press Shift plus Enter. That's it. An easy way to grab huge chunks of data for formatting, moving, or copying. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If this tip helped, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.